It's Manufacturing Day. It's a national day meant to lure the next generation of skilled workers.
The students, they say it was great to experience what the manufacturing field has to offer.
It's hard to be it if you don't see it.
Who wants to solve problems? Who wants to make, actually make an impact in what you do? Who wants to help make their communities better, their families' lives better? Who build solutions and actually have something that's meaningful? That's what we do every day.
Manufacturing Day is an opportunity for students to have exposure maybe that they hadn't had before, to be able to see what happens inside of a manufacturing facility and know what possibilities await.
So having exposure to so many different industries is really helping me kind of filter out what I want to do.
We need creators in our industry, and there's a future for you in manufacturing.